Hi everyone, I am Pastor Carrie Ann Kelly, a motivational speaker, educator, and author of the book, The Restored Woman. In my book, I shared about my daughter. She was taken from me at the age of 8 years old. She did not return until she was 18. In my mind, God took too long. 10 years is a very long time, don't it? Yes. And that's what I thought in my head. But today, something happened. I had a sweet sop that I wrapped up and put aside, waiting for it to be fully ready so that I could enjoy it. Every day, I would unwrap it and, you know, touch it up to see if it's ready. Today, I unwrapped this sweet sop. When I felt it, it felt ready. It looked like it was ready. And so when I break it in two, to my surprise, the sweet sop was not fully ready to be eaten. And my mind went back to my daughter that was taken from me and the long period of time that I had to wait for her to be returned to me. That sweet sop, I didn't enjoy it because I did not allow it to be fully ready to be eaten. And the same thing goes for my daughter. Maybe there were lessons that I had to learn. There were lessons that she had to learn. And God had to wait until we were ready, until those lessons were learned before our restoration began. And I just want to let you know that God is never early, He is never late, He is always on time. And we have to learn to trust God's timing because His timing is best. My daughter was restored to me at the right time. In my human mind, it was too long. But God knows what's best. She came home at the right time. And if I had allowed that sweet sop to be fully ready, I would have enjoyed it. My daughter and I know that she is returned home and we have waited out the process and it is the right time. We are enjoying each other's company. We are again enjoying our mother and daughter relationship. You have to learn to wait on God if you are going to enjoy the blessings that belongs to you. You have to learn to wait on the Lord if you are going to enjoy the restoration that is promised to you. waiting on the Lord is the best thing to do. They that wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. That's what the scripture says. They shall mount up with wings as eagle. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. I declare over you tonight that God will give you the grace to be patient and to wait on God's timing for your restoration. And just to remind you that you are created for a purpose bigger than your past. God bless you.